Hey, what's up guys? This is Tanu from R.V.C Tech and I'm back again with another video. Today, I'm reviewing the Colmi R06 smart ring. I've been using it for a while now and I've got some thoughts to share. So, if you're considering buying this smart ring, stick around to hear about its features, battery life, and some unexpected quirks. Let's start with a quick overview. The Colmi R06 is a budget-friendly smart ring that offers a range of features including heart rate monitoring, sleep tracking, stress level tracking, blood oxygen measurement, and fitness tracking for activities like steps, calories burned, and distance covered. The build quality of the Colmi R06 is surprisingly good for its price point. It's comfortable to wear and feels sturdy, which is great if you are looking for something that can withstand daily wear and tear. The Colmi R06 uses Q-Ring app to display all of your health and fitness data. The app provides detailed insights into your heart rate, sleep patterns, stress levels, blood oxygen levels, and physical activities like steps taken, calories burned, and distance covered. It serves as the central hub for tracking your progress and managing your smart ring settings. As the R06 itself does not have a display, the app's user-friendly interface allows for easy navigation and access to all the information collected by the ring. One of the standout features of the Colmi R06 is its battery life. It lasts up to 10 days on a single charge, which is quite impressive. However, there is a catch. The charging cable that comes with it isn't the best. It is known for being somewhat cumbersome to carry around and can easily be misplaced. Due to these issues, some users, including myself, have opted to purchase a separate charging case to ensure a more consistent and convenient charging experience. This is an important consideration for potential buyers who prioritize ease of use and reliability in their devices. Now, let's talk about sleep tracking. This is where the Colmi R06 falls a bit short. I noticed that the sleep tracking feature isn't very accurate. It often misjudges my sleep duration and quality, which can be frustrating if you're relying on this data to improve your sleep habits. When you go to bed and start consuming media, the ring registers this as sleep. Sometimes the sleep becomes accurate, especially when you go to bed and immediately go to sleep. Aside from sleep tracking, the ring has been reliable in tracking heart rate, stress levels, and blood oxygen. The fitness tracking features work well, and it's handy for keeping an eye on your daily steps, calories burned, and distance covered. So, is the Colmi R06 worth it? Well, if you're looking for a budget-friendly smart ring with good battery life, great build quality, and a wide range of tracking features, it might be a good option. Just be aware of its limitations, especially with sleep tracking and the charging cable. I hope this review helps you make an informed decision. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more reviews and tech content. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions about the Colmi R06, drop them in the comments below and I'll be happy to answer. See you in the next video. Bye!